Who's calling you so early?
It's not so early.
What do you mean?
I keep cardboard in windows.
What?
I like it dark when I sleep. Dude!
Shit! What time is it?
It's 8:23.
No!
Schemo's calling.
Schemo! Schemo, it's Charlie.
We've been looking for you. You fucked up, man. We're in the harbor. We're leaving.
No!
Is that Charlie? Ask college boy what he doesn't understand about 8 o'clock. Tell him we'll see him in 10 days.
It's almost.
Hey, Charlie, this is Costa. Where are you?
Yo, I'm at Mable's.
Where's Mable's?
East Rodney French.
All right, you still got time. Mable, just get him onto the hurricane deck, okay? Just leave now.
All right, we're coming.
Not a fucking chance.
You got your keys?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Go, go, go.
Right here.
Go, go! Mabel! Oh my God! Oh, shit, we're on the sidewalk! Mabel! Oh my God! Mabel, fuck, you can drive.
Come on, man. This is cold. He's your little brother. And plus, we need the extra hands, Tom.
Don't suck. Rules are rules. Same for everyone.
Look up there on the dike.
Yeah, I see him.
That's Mabel's car, right?
There was something I wanted to talk to you about. I was thinking about going to community college. Do you think that's a crazy idea?
It's great. Wait, what?
Fucking told you he was gonna come.
Ah.
Community college, do you think that's a crazy idea?
I don't think he's gonna make it.
He's gonna make it.
What the fuck are you doing? Just slow down, Tom. He's your little brother. Come on.
Yes or
Wait,
no?
there they are, look!
Whoa! Oh, he's going for it, man.
Let's go, Charlie! Costa, look.
He's right there, man. He's going for it.
Oh, no fucking way.
Come on, Charlie!
Come on, baby boy!
Wait, Charlie.
Yeah.
You didn't answer my question. Community college.
Community college?
Do you think that's stupid or don't you?
It's smart. You're smart. It's smart. You should go. Go.
Okay.
Be your own hero.